Yet another month goes by, and we got another Bokksu. This is coming a few days later than I was hoping. It was in a apartment box, but it wasn't in one of those like parcel lockers that you get a key from. So the guy just never gave me a key, so I've had to wait a few extra days to do it. I've also been dealing with a bit of a sickness. There was Juneteenth, so everything was shut down. So this is the 20th, so like 5 or 6 extra days late, but I will do my best. I'm also still dealing with the problems that's been plaguing my recordings of my JRPG stuff lately. So what's been going on is there's been construction of a sprinkler system, plus some drilling upstairs, which has really affected some recordings. My hope is that I'm in between all that bullshit for this next half hour so I can record this with no noise, but if you see me reaching for a mute button or if you hear a bunch of what sounds like drilling fart noises every so often, it's because people don't respect other people's privacies. But anyway, I'm going to do the best I can with what time I've got, so let's go. And it looks like it's sunny Okinawa. Now, you may notice on the other side, I've taken the liberty of changing the visuals per summer. So this is going to be July's offering, but I'm recording this June because that's how it always works. Sunny Okinawa. We're heading to Okinawa, the southernmost prefecture. This cluster of tropical islands and unique climate and geography make it home to some special ingredients you won't find anywhere else in Japan. This month we've curated a selection of snacks made in Okinawa using native ingredients. We hope each bite takes you to a delicious Okinawan summer vacation. So, tropical set. That should be interesting. As usual, let's learn Japanese. Ryoko, travel. That gives Tenchi Muyo a different vibe. I don't know if that's all what Ryoko means. It also means I will take your balls, please. Natsu Yatsumi or Yasumi, summer vacation. Sunahama, beach, and Kaisuiyoko, swimming in the sea. So, as usual, I'm going to be looking for my tea first. There it is, right on time. You see what I've been hearing and dealing with all freaking month. I can't win. I just cannot fucking win. I don't even know if it's part of the apartment construction or if it's just some random guy putting in a new freaking housing thing or something. It's just really stupid. So again, I will do my best. You now hear what I'm dealing with, and it's probably coming in on the audio because I don't have the game running anymore. But if I reach for a mute button, you'll know why. If I'm distracted, you'll know why. But I'm going to try and do the best I can with what I've got. So, Sanpincha tea, believed to be brought to the Ryukyu Kingdom hundreds of years ago from China. Okinawan jasmine tea, otherwise known as Sanpincha, is a refreshing, fragrant blend of jasmine flowers, steamed green tea. We hope you appreciate the packaging, which represents a mix of Chinese and Japanese influences from the prefecture. So, let's see if I can get... There we go. A little bit of that there. So, we got our greeting card. This month, I am excited to share my love of Okinawa with you. My first visit to the islands was 2012. 6 more trips later, I'm still in awe of the culturally unique cuisine, beautiful beaches, delicious snacks made with local ingredients. I can't bring you to the beaches. I hope this month's box gives you a taste of Okinawa and inspire an Okinawan summer vacation of its own. So there's, I believe this is tea. So let me go brew the thing. So, like I said, I'm racing against time to get rid of that annoying noise that's been going on. So this feels like gummies. This looks like a, yep, Shikuwasa. So I think I've had this brand before. Where are you? Pineapple candy. Aha! Okinawa Shikwasa Citrus Gummy. These refreshing bite-sized gummies are bursting with the juice of Shikwasa citrus, a tart and acidic fruit native to northern Okinawa. Slide that in there. Yeah. Not the best I can do. I put the camera a little bit closer this month, so it's got a little bit of a darker tinge to it, but it's more of the just focusing more on the stuff. So I'm noticing the camera is having a little fun getting a little darker on me, but it's looks a little sour. Oh yeah, I can totally see it. Let me see if I can fix. Oh. Oh. Already very good. Let me see if I can fix this camera here. No, it looks like it's just gonna. No, it looks like it's just gonna be that. Well, we can say I tried. So it's going to be a little bit of a darker pink, darker blue. But anyway, as far as the stuff is, I've got very good lime flavor into it. It's really nice. Let's see how the tea goes. There we go. So apparently this tea is this month is jasmine tea, so I'm expecting a little bit lighter. Yes, not nearly as smoky as the tendency. Yeah, the tendency lately has been very smoky tea. So, not so much this time. This looks like some chocolates. So, boom. Only so much I can do with the camera now that it's rolling, but hopefully it's not too much of a distraction. I mean, it was very bright white when we started, and it just happened. Okay, so... Lunan. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. This might be one of those I'm not going to know until I actually open the thing. It's like somebody's doing a dentist drill upstairs. Okay, this is looking like a long pond there. And yes. The Suki Samu Anpan Black Sugar. The star of this fluffy anpan bun with a red bean paste inside. And it's a rich kokuto. Black sugar filling. An Okinawan specialty, black sugar is sugarcane juice that's been boiled in many hours to create a dark color and roasted flavor. Okay. On the Fig Newton there. Now, Fig Newton-y, but there we go. There we go, camera. There you go. Very think of like a dark sugary Fig Newton. Like a dark chocolate Fig Newton kind of. Not chocolatey, but that same idea. Mm. Works well with a tea. Anyway, got something completely different. Crepe chocolate roll. Look, I don't care what it sounds like. I don't care what it looks like. I'm going to make it through this video. I don't even care if I'm sick. Ishigaki Benjimo crepe. It's called crepe, actually. Chocolate roll. Made with Okinawan superfood Benjimo, purple yam, so sweet potato. This rolled crepe delicately envelops a smooth white chocolate center. Fall in love with a natural sweetness and rich earthy flavor. So... It's got a unique, it's almost pixie stick kind of in there. Here's that. Huh. I can taste a little bit of strawberry and a little bit of white chocolate. It's very, very thin, but it's got a little bit of a crunch. Not bad. So many things working against me, and I do not care. Heat, noise, don't care. Okay, so looking through it, it looks like it's going to be Shima Togarashi, rice crackers and peanuts. So popular omiyage souvenir, this crunchy rice cracker and peanut mix is flavored with Shima Togarashi, koregusu, local dialect, a small but fiery chili pepper. Oh, good. So, see if I can. So rice crackers and nuts, huh? Oh dear. So this might make it a little tougher to... I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get through this. But yeah, bunch of rice crackers and peanuts. Okay. Honestly, not as... Oh, wait. No, it's pretty spicy. Takes a little bit of time to get the spice in there. But honestly, not that bad. Not that bad a spice. So, it could be worse. I'm gonna bet you it's not even the people doing the apartment construction. It's people probably people upstairs in an apartment doing their own stupid bullshit. But anyway, what is this? It could be that one. Oh, it's probably something else. No. No, financier pineapple. A real bite of sunshine. This financier cake is made with a new variety of pineapple puree called Tita pineapple. Produced in Ishigaki Island, you'll love the deep sweetness of this prized fruit. It ripped it. Oh no. Oh, it ripped it too. Ugh. Well, this one ripped it in pieces as soon as I grabbed it. So, it tasted good, but it was crumbly. So that's a bad sign. Got another one of these guys. That was not so good. That's disappointing. What are you? Not sure what you are. Found it. Zawawa Chinsoku. Or Chinsoku. Chinsuko. Black sesame and kinako. Chinsuko is a traditional Okinawan shortbread flavored with local ingredients. We're excited for you to try this with black sesame and kinako cookie. Delicious and nutty departure from tradition. Well, as long as you don't break apart, you'll be better than the last one was. Okay, pretty solid. It stayed in one piece. That's a start. So, there we go. The best I can do. Usually not the biggest fan of black sesame anyway, but yeah, it's distinct. And it's as annoying as that is. But whatever. No, it's not as bad. At least I can laugh at myself. Let's see, what are you? It's got a cow on it. So curious what that's gonna be. A cow. So I'm imagining it's gonna be milk something. But let's see if I can find. I'm seeing if I can find the packaging. No. You know, some of these have the packaging on them, so I can easily find them. Some of them do not. The texture there leads it to believe it's a senbei. So senbei it is then. I think I know what this is now. Aha! Yep. Oh, it was hiding in the corner. Ugh. Butter mochi. So salted butter mochi senbei. Butter mochi is an Akita Prefecture specialty. This limited edition senbei rice cracker boasts sweet buttery flavors. The piece de resistance is Okinawan sea salt for a just delicate flavor. That is different. It's sweet. Oh, it's very sweet. And apologies, camera just decided to be a stupid idiot on me, so I got what I could out of it. Man, this is a cursed. This is totally a cursed month, but I'm gonna do it. I don't care how cursed this is. I'm going to make it through it. But as far as the senbei goes, salted butter with some sweetness to it. I'm not. I don't hate it, but it's different. All right, the Ichikoro chocolate puffed sand cake. Ooh, this looks good. This looks like a thick Oreo sandwich. Airy white chocolate cream sandwich with 2 bitter chocolate shinsoku shortbread cookies, plus a dash of salt for an added depth of flavor. No wonder it's a buyer's favorite. This box has been so far, but this might be the winner because it'd be really hard to screw that up. You'd think. You would think that would be super hard to screw up, which is essentially an Oreo, a thick, meaty Oreo. Trying to. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. That drill is not. But yes, this is a very nice, very thick, dark chocolate cookie, and the cream is good. Okay. Okay. So Kohakuka Uragashi content. Passion fruits. So made only with passion fruit grown in Nakijin village and Motobu town in Okinawa, this agar jelly candy allows you to enjoy the rich flavor of Okinawan's renowned fresh fruit. Enjoy chilled. This candy has a thin edible wrapping. What? This candy has a thin edible wrapping. No. I think what they mean was the inside of it. Oh. Oh, I see what they mean. Yeah, you can actually eat that. Weird. Hmm. That's like wax paper, but you can eat it. It's weird. Can't say I've ever had that one before. It's good, very sweet, but on the soft scale, it's not very tart. But yeah, edible paper. Okay. Not something I would have expected. I'll put that there. This guy's big. Looks like mochi. We're getting there. We're going to make it. And thank you for if anybody's been sticking with it, because oh god, I'm gonna stick with it. Black sugar Kinako mochi. Soft and chewy mochi has black sugar syrup, is dusted with soybean flour. We recommend serving it chilled for a refreshing nutty bite. So, question here is it going to be in the come on. There we go. Aha. 6 things. Nice big glob. Globs. Globs and globs and globs, and there we go. For once, my backup, my big camera back there is actually the better one when it doesn't want to be dumb. So. See, it's like a black sugary paste in there. I don't know. Again, not as good as the chocolate, but overall, this has been a downer month. But again, the downer is still good stuff overall. This looks like it's going to be the pineapple. This is from the same guys who did the chocolate one, so I've got a good feeling about this. Okay, so Marui Chinsuko pineapple. Crumbly and crunchy, this Chinsoku cookie is another flavored Okinawa specialty. Pineapple! Mildly sweet tropical flavor with just a hint of tartness. So, that sand cake, the chocolate cake, is a good one. Let's see if this one can stand up to it. Alright. Looks like a mini cornbread looking thing. Pretty good. Nice and crunchy. And the pineapple is not overpowering. Pineapple is not very tart. It can be on occasion, but this is mixed very well. It tastes more sugary than tart, which is, I'm not gonna lie, is welcome. Handmade pineapple candy. Bokksu and Daimonji. Okay. Getting near the end there. Daimonji. Pineapple candy. Where? Aha! Handmade pineapple candy. We worked with Daimonji Onmei Honpo to create this exclusive tropical candy made with real Okinawan pineapple. Enjoy the fresh, sweet, and tart flavor beloved all over Japan. And I made this hard to... It's a hard candy. So, yeah, hard candy. Well, it's definitely the hard candy. Again, not super tart. Very nice in that regard. Sorry, getting through my hard candies. I should not have had them all at once. Nagasaki Castella. Tonkan. Once you bite into this fluffy Castella cake, you will be hit with the fresh flavor of tonkan, a citrus fruit for sometimes ugly, bright orange color, juicy sweetness, and low acidity. I love this packaging, by the way. It's just so much fun. And that's not. Let's set that over there now. But I'm gonna make it. I don't care. This cursed. And again, I'm my own worst critic. But again, you've heard that noise, and I'm working through so much trouble. But you know, I'm gonna make it work. Because I'm having stuff. Because look at this. Now I can show off the thing. Camera being weird. Stuff. Noise. I don't care. I'm eating food. Again, very I'm noticing a trend. It's not very tart, and this is good. Imagine like a fruit cake, but just one type of fruit, and just nice flavor. A taiko drum. Actually, what I'm going to do is, because I don't know which of these flavors I'm going to like more, I'm going to weigh both. So I need to see which one. So we've got Sakumaru curry. So corn and sweet flake of mild curry. And shikwasa salt. Rice crackers are punctually airy, coated with soy sauce and shikwasa. I'm gonna do this one first. So I'm gonna do this guy, because of the two, the curry versus the citrusy rice cracker. Because again, recently I've been trying to finish videos up with a little bit nicer, you know, of a finish, so that I don't feel so bad. Oh yeah, you brighten up now that I put my hand down there. Must be a white balance thing. Okay, but I can definitely taste the mildest curry, but that's intense. I'm trying to place it. But I wouldn't even be able to place it. I can't say it's like sea salt vinegar. I can't say it's like a chili powder. It's its own unique saltness to it. But once again, before I'm done, thank you guys so much for putting up with the noise issues, the visual quality, the heat bothering me. Anything else that might have been going on with this video. These are my best performing videos by far, and I understand that it's going to be a problem, but I like to do this as live as possible. I just got this box. This is done how it's done. I knew that they were up there, and hopefully you guys understand that this is a thing that I've been dealing with, but I'm going to have fun with it regardless, and I want this. I mean, look at it. Look at it. It's fun. I want this to be fun. So this month, this box has been kind of up and down. The puff cake has been really good. Let's hope that this thing, this citrus. Well, no, it was a citrusy cracker. This is the curry stuff. So this is the curry flavored stuff. So let's have fun with this. And there we go. Nice and curly, almost like a big old freaking Funyun. Ooh! That's different. It's a curry flavored Cheeto. It's a Cheeto Puff flavored like curry. And I'm probably going to need some new shorts when I'm done with this. I'm sorry for the mental image. But that's some dust in there. But yes, I've made it. I'm hoping and praying that the next months and months after aren't this frustrating. But again, as far as a month goes, this was not one of the best. But it still had some interesting ones. So again, if you want a Bokksu, or if you want a Sakurako treat or Tokyo treat or whatever, you want to go to those websites and get them sent. $40 to $50 a month unless you do a subscription plan. I'm not sponsored by Bokksu, by the way. I'm doing this just for fun. I'm doing this off the cuff, out of nowhere. I just got the box half an hour ago. I wanted to test it out, and people seem to respond to it. So despite some frustrations that I have with some of the flavors or stuff out of my control, I can sit here and go, you know what? I'm still bringing something interesting and something out of nowhere to other people. And if this was something that you enjoyed, please let me know. This has been some of the best things on my channel, if not the best, for the year and a half or so that I've been doing this. And I want to keep on going. So we'll get to it next month. Hopefully I'll get to these as soon as possible rather than waiting 5 days to do it. So despite all the frustrations and despite this being a cursed as fuck problem that was out of my control, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And maybe you had fun at my expense because I got to eat some weird shit while all this crazy shit was going on. So who knows? Maybe you enjoyed it. And if you do, please let other people see it and try it for themselves. But anyway, that'll do it for me. I need to go shopping for real food because I'm gonna get so stuffed on stuff like this and that and that and that and that and that and that and then whatever else is still available because I've still got more to eat. So I need to do that. I need to go shopping. I need to work out, and I'll see you next time. Citizen Strife signing off.